Okay, back. So we got some tools. Okay, I got two 3/8 taps, two 3/8 tap drills. So tap drill for fine thread is a Q. Tap drill for a coarse thread is a 5/16. So 5/16 is the smaller, Q is the bigger one. Okay, let's see if the Q fits. Q it is. That's about what it is. Perfect. Here's your 5/16. See how loose that is? So if you use this one here, you would be losing about half your thread height here, or at least a third of it, because these threads are a little bit taller than the fine thread. Fine thread, a little bit shallower thread. More of them, but shallower. Okay, so we're going to use the 5/16. We're going to use the 3/8 fine thread, which is 24 threads per inch, because the Q drill fits in there pretty good. So that'll make it easy. So I can just tap the bolt straight in. I don't have to worry about having a nut on the back side or anything like that. It's just a guard, so it'd be pretty easy to deal with. So it makes it a lot simpler and looks a little cleaner maybe. Yeah, I don't know. You can't see the nuts anyway, but it makes it more work for me to do. So I like doing more work, so there you go. Let's see if this tap will work in here. I might have to use a different driver than this. Let's see. Ooh, knee banger. Okay, definitely not straight. Okay. Oh, I got clearance above, good. Straight that way. And looks fairly straight that way also. Go for it. Too late now, it's going in the hole. Get a good view of my head there maybe? I don't know. Get it up higher, you can see better. Pretty good material. So you rip nails off your fingers, rake them across foot pegs that are in the way. Okay. Need to use a different tool now. Stuff out of the way. Alright. Some new oil on that. Try the bottom one. Bottom was a problem. The heel peg is dictating the angle of what I'm going in at. I think it's pretty good though. Yep, looks like it's right on the money. It's a good thing. Close that way also. Kind of tricky here. Not a lot of clearance. Okay. Pull this out now, I'll get it started. Alright. So I need a little driver here. Get hot. Got that high humidity outside here. Yeah. It's out there. Ooh, feel the cold air coming in. Chilly. Must be at least 70 out there. Okay, I need a driver for this, so I have a bunch of bits around here somewhere. Did I put them in my toolbox, or did I hide them somewhere else? They are hidden somewhere else. Okay, so that means most likely they are up here, somewhere up in all this junk. Now I have sockets that go in here. They're 8-point sockets. So we have to go up here and see if we can find them. They're someplace. Hidden away. Obviously, not hidden enough. Found them. There's a couple missing ones though. Probably the one I need. Alright. Whoa! Damn, that is slippery. I'm trying to hurt myself there. I put my foot right there and it just slid right across. Why is it so slippery in my foot? I don't feel anything on there, but it just slid right up from under my foot. Trying to get me. Okay, so we need a socket, a little ratchet. I think the ratchet's over there already. Alright. If I had bare feet, I wouldn't have that problem. I got my boots on today, so gotta be careful. They're dangerous. Skin on steel doesn't slip like rubber feet do. Okay, so now get our tool to use here. Get started again. Our extension. There's a little ratchet I have over here. Oh, I'm using it. There it is. I think I saw it someplace. This allows you to get in there long reach. Okay. There we go, all the way through. We didn't need that, did we? Alright, that cut through pretty slick. Lube it up some more. Get the top one. Alright. Okay. Now the long extension helps you on levers too, because you can hold the tap pretty steady way out here. If you're doing it up here, it'd be a lot more of that. You put a lot more side load on that tap. This way here, I can hold it a lot straighter. It's easier on the tap. It's also easier on me. I'm not hitting everything. So long extensions do come in handy. All right. So now we got that done. And a little air line over here to blow that out. Clean up things a little bit. Get this out of the way so I don't spill it. Okay, air line. Top. Okay. Let Tatro your tools while you're at it. Okay, all that junk away. All right, now we can go ahead and see how it works. Clean this off also. Keep your area clean, you don't make such a big mess. Things work a lot better when it's got a clean area. Okay, so now we have threads right here now, see? Okay, where's our, there'll be a bolt hanging around here somewhere. And a couple of bolts, oh, they're right here. A couple of bolts here, but these aren't the right ones. Guess I put it back. Okay, these are coarse thread. This drawer here, as I recall. Yep. What length are these? These are that length. No. I think they're that length. Oh, that one is. They are that length. Okay, so now we need fine thread, because that's a fine thread hole. So we need fine thread now. There's fine thread bolts. Now that goes like that. So we gotta determine what length bolt we need. So that's fully threaded in. And that looks like it'll be just about right. Put a washer on that and we should be pretty damn close. Not bad for a guess, huh? Okay, so one more of these. I think that was this pile right here. Yep, 2 of those. If with any luck, we'll have a washer somewhere around this place. It's always the hardest thing for me to find these days is washers. Thick ass washer. It's probably 7/16. Yep. Go find one over here somewhere. Not the grade 8s. Yep, those are it. Grade crap. That's called a grade crap washer. These are supposed to be grade 5, but they put that big piece of crap mark in there to make you know so it's a 5, and that screws up the washer. That's stupid. But that's how they did it. Okay, so that goes like that. There goes my scale. So these 3/8 holes have no extra clearance in them, so we're going to see how close the bolt pattern is. Right there. Our standoff right there. Not quite perfect. Got a little bit of bind in there. So either that thread is bad or we're binding. We are binding slightly. And not happy about going in that hole, that's for sure. Okay, so now you can see how this is being held up in the air now because the bolt holes are too tight. So I'm going to open these holes up one little clearance. I got some room to bring this down a little bit without forcing it. Okay. So see how we are right there. Check our dimension now that we're being held correctly. It looks like we're still right at our 1/800. Pretty damn close. The camera might be hurting the view there, I don't know. Now it's dark, so there's your dimensions. Flat is right there. So anyway, looks like it's just over 800, 810 or so. Alright, so we're still in the same boat. Something about 800, give or take nothing. We can give some, don't take any. Okay, we don't need 70-75, so we're not going to use that one. We don't need this big heavy one either. Won't hurt though. A little small one here, I don't know what it's made out of. It looks like it's made out of garbage, so probably perfect. Lights on. So yeah, those will fit perfect on there. That'll look like it's just perfect for dimension. So I'll make them out of this. Need 1/800 length. Which means I'm going to have to do some hacksawing to make that happen. Alright. So we need to go over here. There's our hacksaw blade.